This is DP rechargeable portable fan DP7621, which comes touch switch, soft comfort color, built-in battery plus USB. Now we show the product. Actual product. Let's get out. Now show how to be used. This is first stage on touch, second and third stage. This is a very nice built-in. So I show you closely this fan how it works. Using touch hand you can touch first. Third. This one is data wire. Here. Very nice to do. You can see